Pen, pen, pen. I got broads in Atlanta, just in Dublin and Evander. Got gold and those gammas. Pandas! Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hope everyone is doing amazing. Here we go. Market's just open. Happy Thursday, everybody. Thirsty Thursday. Big pop up in the market overnight. Huge pop up. Right, you get all the price action. After hours. Extended market is the best market. We are just flushing right now, though. Maybe trying to fill the gap on the Globex session. Makes sense. We're making a beeline to it right now. It's today. Are we make some bamboo? Are we gonna make some bamboozis? So, pandas, I learned something new. I learned something new today. Or last night, really. Woo, look at this. Woo, look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy go. Look at this guy go. Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Ever make some bamboo. I mean, I guess. I guess. Fill the gap here. Is making a beeline to it. Easy peasy. I'll take it. Easy peasy. Do it again. It literally made a beeline to fill the gap right here. See this gap here? It closed yesterday here, opened today here, and had a gap. So easy peasy. We're at 521. I'll take it. So I learned something yesterday, pandas. I mean, I could be done for today now. No way. No way, Jose. We are looking to make some bamboo. Look at this move down. I think it'll have a little bit of follow through. Let's take the second entry short here. I think we'll have a little bit of follow through here. We shall see, though. Ooh, you gotta love that.
2500 tick trap.
Reversing back up. All right. I hesitated. I wanted some follow through because the move down was so strong. Let's see here. We are actually just bouncing off the previous day's close right now. Clearly staying underneath the 20 MA. Goodness gracious. What's going on here? Today's the last day. Here we go. Last day of the month. Let's get it. Second entry short, 2500 tick. Maybe I'll try this. Second entry short, 2500 tick. You gotta use one.
$2,500 tick trap.
You gotta use one contract here. The risk is kind of big. Here. Sorry, I got so distracted. There was like a bug crawling up on my wall. So I'm just gonna skip this trade because of that bug. What in the world? Lower high. This is looking all sorts of wacky right now. It looks like a bear flag of some sort being formed. Some sort of bear flag here.
2,500
Hard to
tick trap.
say what's happening here. I'm not entirely sure. All right, there's your answer. There's your answer. Decent move down. Okay, what is going on? What is going on here? This is absolutely insane, pandas. Absolutely insane. Oh, looking for a new low. Looking for a new low. Unfortunately, it's too hard for me to tell what the heck is happening here right now. The most likely new low. Very high chance new low. And new low created. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Multiple bear bars in a row here. This is unsure. We're still within the first 5-minute candle. I've seen these reverse so many times. I just wasn't sure what was gonna happen. I've just seen it reverse so many times. But the move down is so strong. I mean, look at this move down. Right at the open. It's just created this super small pullback bear trend. Very aggressive. We're up 500. I mean, I'm happy with 500. I'm really happy with 500. So let me tell you something I learned yesterday, pandas. I could not request my payouts yesterday. The reason being is because they do not count the day they approve your request. They do not count that day. Sorry, actually they don't count the day that you, well, whatever it is. I miscalculated one day, and I think let me. So annoying. All right, I should check it. I should check it. Oh, we are pushing down still. Okay, okay. Yeah, let me calculate. Let me figure out what happened. I requested a payout, but I could not do it. I could not do it. The error I get is I didn't have 5 days of $50 or more. But let me see if that's true. Definitely now I should have it though, after today. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I miscalculated. I had 5 days of positive trading, but I, for some reason, forgot one of those positive days was the day I requested the payout. And I guess they didn't count that day. They didn't like that day. They didn't like to count that day. I think I got approved that day too. That's the reason why. I considered it. I considered the day as positive. Let me see. Sorry. I need to answer this question for myself. I see. I see. I made a boo boo. So I, for some reason, I guess I wanted to see, which I guess helps. Um, so, well, let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Scalp that like button. Kevin Mack, good morning. Frosty, good morning. Luis, good morning. Closey, welcome. Oh, hey, mate. Blue Steel, good morning. Austin here. Good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. So we got 2 bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we get that third bear bar in a row on the 5-minute. It's looking a little bit sus, going a lot of in and out, kind of lots of chop right now. So I guess I wanted to test: does the day count after you request the payout? Like, do they count that day? So I request a payout. Do they count that day if you trade it? And the answer is no. They only start counting once they approve your payout. Once they approve your payout, then your trading cycle begins again. So in a sense, it's kind of lame, but it is what it is. So technically, you can't request a payout until every 9 days, at the soonest. At the soonest, you cannot request payout after 9 days, because the day you request a payout, you cannot, if you even if you trade that day, it doesn't count. You have to wait till the payout gets approved, and that usually takes a day or so. So, I guess it's helpful to know that, for me at least. So you cannot request a payout like, unless they somehow you request a payout and they approve it the same day, which is very, very unlikely with Apex. But I mean, that'd be the only time it would work. I guess Pandas. This is a silly trade, small risk. No, I'll try. It's multiple hits off of my key area here and 20 MA, but it's going quite sideways. It feels like a 50-50 trade. You know, sometimes this trade will work. Sometimes this trade will work. Okay. It's kind of nice to know. Right? Kind of nice that this happened, because it's like clear to know what to do, which is get out of it. Don't try. Don't do that trade. Bad signal bar. So I guess if you really want to count the days,
2500 tick trap.
practically, you can request payouts every 9 days, not every 8 days.
2500 tick trap.
But regardless, after today's trading, we're up 500. So that means that we are, like, we're good to go. We made our 5th trading day, $50 or more on the top half of our accounts. What's one extra day? We'll request the 4th payout today, and then on payout 5, we will get there. We sure diddly do will get there. I mean, our accounts are pretty healthy. I think we can get another payout. I think so. I think it's possible with these accounts. So I'm eyeing 5 payouts. That's 6 payout. The question is, what am I gonna do with that 6 payout, Pandas? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, Pandas? Like, technically, what you should do is liquidate your accounts. You should liquidate them. What a push down. What a really nice push down. I think the 15-minute bar is going to be very bearish here. We may just be able to sell the close on the 15-minute close. I'm really having a hard time deciding what to do with the 6 payout. Give away 150K accounts. I guess that's an option. Okay. Interesting. Let's see here. Second just short here. Do I love it? Love is a strong word. Love is strong. When you get a big move like this, it feels like a final flag type situation. Feels like a final flag type situation.
2,500 tick trap.
Whoa! Never mind. Second entry short. Great
2,500 tick
idea.
trap.
I should have definitely taken that second entry short. What in the world was that? Flush to the downside. I don't think you guys are understanding the question here. I don't think you guys are understanding the question. Louis got that second short. Congratulations. Tate caught that dump. Congratulations. You guys are better than me. You guys are better than me. I was eyeing it. I didn't love it. I didn't love it. I saw this. Maybe the overshoot to the undershoot. That's all you needed for the symmetry. I didn't love it. I liked it, but I didn't love it. Kind of wish it touched my channel up here. Then I would have liked it a lot more. I don't think you guys are understanding the question. I'm not asking what should I do with the actual
2,500
money.
tick trap.
I'm asking like on my 6 payout, how should I trade my accounts? Because you're able to withdraw as much money as you want on the six payout. So I'm capped right now at withdrawing. Plus, you can withdraw within your safety net. I think that's a big thing people don't know. If once you get to the 6 payout, I can withdraw my safety net. So you have a safety net of $5,000. You can only withdraw whatever you make above $5,000, at least for the 150K accounts. Once you get the 6 payout, you can withdraw from that 5. You can withdraw with that safety net. So the question I'm asking is, on the 6 payout, what should I do? Should I just liquidate my entire accounts? So that's an extra $55,000 that I can just pull out. And if I wanted to, I could just trade it on my personal accounts. Or should I just keep trading these accounts higher and higher as much as possible? Let's just say get my accounts up to 100,000, and then I can pull out $1 million all at once. And Apex can't say a darn thing about it. They just can't say I made the 6 payout. So that's their rules, right? Like once you get to the 6 payout, you can withdraw as much as you want, even into your safety net. So the question is, or should I just trade normally? Should I just trade as I've been trading? Just withdraw every 5, just keep withdrawing and maybe just liquidate my accounts down to 5K every single time and use 5K as my buffer. I don't know. Big bounce back up. BPCF says, can you take like 5 of them and trade super heavy on S plus setups? Go big, one big payout. The thing is, the payout rule still apply, or the consistency rule still apply. So the 30% consistency rule still applies. So if I go big, then I will have to, I don't know. I mean, going big with 5,000 already in your account, it's actually not too bad. But they might like get you with the contract consistency. I mean, there's so many rules. So what I could do is I could trade big, not like maybe super heavy, but I could trade heavier and just be kind of more aggressive and just see like how high I can get the accounts. Because when you get the accounts to like 20K, it kind of like doesn't matter, right? Like the 30% consistency rule doesn't really matter when you're like when your account's up to like $20,000. I guess it does matter a little bit, but it matters less. The bigger your accounts, the less the Consistency rules matter. Nicholas Trito thinks 5K is good. Just keep a 5K buffer. Keep withdrawing to make your accounts back down to 5K. It's getting a little sketchy here, a little sus. We got lots of overlapping bars here, lots of overlapping bars here. It's getting a little sus now. Feels like just short actually pushes up pretty decently. Pretty strong downtrend beginning of the day. Pretty strong downtrend beginning of the day. And then kind of turned to mush. You're thinking spike in channel. It did do it for a little bit, but not very long. Yesterday we had FOMC. And FOMC honestly was a little disappointing, to be honest. This is the move created by the FOMC, and it was enough. Like let's say I think the move started like here basically, and it was enough to pass your evals, but it happened in a very like slow manner, and then Jerome Powell started speaking, opened up his dirty little mouth, and started tanking the markets. And then, of course, if you didn't see it, earnings just blasted the market up. Earnings just blasted this market upwards. Market got a little bit confusing. Sitting on my pause now. Potential trading range starting to form here. Right, big down, big up. Nicholas Chios, I think the overnight session is the best if you're a new trader. What are your thoughts? Overnight session is actually has low key been better than the regular trading hours. Look at this. This is your overnight session. How beautiful is that? I mean, yeah, the regular trading hours right now is not bad. We've got some good volatility currently. Um, but generally, the overnight session is just so slow. And if you're okay staying up till 3 a.m., taking like a trade that takes 30 minutes to get one scalp, then, be my guest. But, yeah. I don't know if I would necessarily agree with that. Unless you tell me your reasoning, and maybe there's things I haven't thought about, or maybe you're like thinking about something specifically. The price action is better. Actually, currently it is, but it's not always the case. But yeah, I mean, right now, not too shabby, to be honest. What a nice reversal back up. Big down, big up. We're pretty much at a place where we could start to trading range. We possibly could start trading range here. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Nicholas Trio says, I'm new to this. I've been following you. Just haven't pulled the trigger until last week. All right. Last week was a good time because you got 90% off. So, perfect. Bob Saw says, I've been on tilt since 7:45. Whew. I've been there, brother. I have been there many times. Tilt Town. Welcome to Tilt Town. Seriously. I'm a permanent resident in Tilt Town. What in the world? I can say the obvious thing, which is take a break. But how many of you guys would actually listen to that? The poll I asked, what should I do on the 6th payout? 40% it's basically split. Liquidate your accounts or continue to trade normally. I think liquidating accounts makes sense because essentially what I could do is liquidate my 11 accounts and then I could trade them on my personal account. I could trade news, I could trade whatever I want then. I don't have to pay any commissions. I could get tax benefits from trading futures, actually trading futures here, not contracted by Apex. A lot of benefits to liquidate your accounts. And 50K, it's like 4 contracts though. 4 contracts. Continue to trade normally. I guess I could do that as well. And just make an income for myself. Make an income for myself while raising my account little by little. I don't think people understand how hard it is to do that, though. Well, I don't think people understand how difficult it is to even get 6 payouts. People don't really understand how difficult it is, and I don't think people realize what's happening on this channel. Like, you guys are actually seeing something amazing happening right before your eyes. It's been a span of like, what? How many months now I've had these accounts? We're getting to our 4th payout. Several months of trading. At least 2 months, basically, of trading. We had holidays in there, so you lost some trading days. So it's probably about 2.5 months, almost 3 months now, trading on the same accounts. 3 months, that's 90 days of trading. 90 days of trading, pandas. Or 90 days of, not trading, but 90 days of just calendar days. I don't know how many people on YouTube are doing what I'm doing right now, but I'll be surprised if there's anyone else doing this, what I'm doing. 6 payouts in a row, same accounts, streamed live. You guys are seeing like every trade. Like, I don't know if anyone else is doing it. I'm just saying, like, what we're doing is very unique and very transparent and very difficult. I really don't know if anyone else is doing what I'm doing. 6 payouts in a row. Every single thing fully transparent. You see every single trade live. Like, I don't trade much after stream. Every once in a while I'll trade, but not really. Nicholas Trito, nobody's doing it like we're doing it. Michael Chen did it. Frosty bringing up the legend Michael Chen back into the chat. I haven't heard that name in a long time. I have a little statue, effigy of Michael Chen's face for being the greatest trader, being the GOAT. I'm always keen to taking failed second entry longs or failed second entries. Always keen on doing it. I think I'm going to try here. 2 bear bars in a row. 3 bear bars in a row. Very strong. No pullback to get that. No pullback to get that. Fail second entry. Long. It's close. Hey! Can I move it? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Still want it. I still want it. Darn it. What a bamboozle. It bamboozled me like insanely. It bamboozled me. Insanely bamboozled me. It's absolutely wild. I don't think I can risk more than this. I'm just going to take the hit. I don't think I can risk more than this. I really don't think I can risk more than this, but I'm most likely to get stopped out here. I got really bamboozled there. I got very bamboozled there, unfortunately. Very bamboozled. Jeez Louise. Give me fail second entry long. Actually looked pretty good. Got extremely bamboozled there with a very strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Gave me like even more confirmation to go short here. I got extremely bamboozled. And I saw a clear area down here to hit. Yeah, we're getting bamboozled here. Look at how many sideway bars there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars completely overlapping. I'll just take the hit. Jeez Louise, I got bamboozled. I got very bamboozled there. I really felt strongly about that trade. I didn't go all in. I only went 2 contracts, but I'm surprised I lost that trade. Felt very confident in that trade. Very bamboozled. Right? Look at the 5-minute. Look at this bar. I mean, doesn't that look like it just had a small pullback and wants to push down again? Look how strong that bear bar looks. And it just triggers and reverses. I got very bamboozled. Extremely bamboozled there. That's incredible. It's all good, Pandas. It's all good. I'll take the hit. I'll take the hit where I take it. But, geez, that really got me. That really got me, Pandas. I mean, I wasn't expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row, but it is what it is. 8 overlapping bars in a row. It's getting. There's shenanigans right now. Absolutely ridiculous that we lose that. It's all good, Pandas. It happens. It happens. I think in my mind, like, that's just such a good trade to take. You just gotta try. Even if you lose it, I don't want to feel bad, but it's just incredible I lost that trade. I just felt like for certain it wanted to at least come back to the previous day's close. Wowzers. It's absolutely bamboozled. That's incredible. Market never ceases to just surprise me, shock me, rip my heart out every single day. Incredible miss. Incredible miss. Can't believe it. That's pocket aces. You go all in, pocket aces. That's exactly what that is. You got to try. Absolutely incredible here. Astonishing move up here. I need emote for that. The game bamboozled. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Just like a dizzy, just have like a swirl going around my head. Easily explains why I just got banned. I got juked. I got played. Got played so bad. Goodness gracious, what a market right now. Wowzers. Shocked. I think it's an excellent trade. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. Obviously didn't work out, so move on. Big bear bar ending on its low. Big bear bar ending on its low now. Wowzers, I guess I'll try again. Get bamboozled again? Don't mind if I do get bamboozled again. I don't mind if I do. I can't take this much risk on this trade. Jeez Louise. I might just stay away from this market altogether. This is very tricky here. If I get stopped out again, I may just I can't go that high. I can't risk that much. It's not worth it. Not on this trade. Not on this trade. It's not worth because it can fly. This could fly up still. Yeah, this could fly. I'll just take the hit up here, but jeez, bamboozled out of my mindzos.
$2,500 tick trap.
Yikes. It is what it is, pandas. Bamboozled again.
5-minute trap.
Yikes. Hooey! I may stop trading today. That is a double bamboozle. I thought we would definitely hit this area, but it is phobic to this area. And now this might just fly up. Right? It might just be a bull flag. Might just be a bull flag now. I thought we were trading range, but right, big down, big up here. Hooey! That is mighty tricky for me. That is mighty tricky for me. Mighty tricky. I don't like it. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. I don't like what this market's doing. Maybe it's time to fly. I don't know. Maybe it's time just to get long. But I don't like what just happened here. Jeez Louise. It is what it is, but I don't like what I don't like what I just saw. I don't like that price action. Don't like what just happened here. In this absolute diabolical price action. Sick. So sick. So sick. Alright, it is what it is. It is what it is. Just make two legs down at the end. Right, second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. That's all that was. 2500 tick chart is so simple. Second entry long. That's all it was. Okay, fair enough. I don't want to be too red today. I'm down 385. Two. I'm what's my record right now? 2-4. 2-4 is my record. This is wild. Okay. It's just okay. I just don't know what to do. Wow. Wow. How confusing. How diabolical is that? A lot of you guys think it's just going to be bullish the rest of the day. Could be. Could quite possibly be. I thought we were going to be more price trading range. I thought it would be more trading range price action. I just don't know. Now we're getting pinched between the 240 SMA and a 20 EMA. I could go long here. I could try. I guess I could try. I just don't feel good about it at all. I'm on one contract here. I just don't feel good about this at all. I really don't. It's like three overlapping bars, basically 5 overlapping bars. It's 6 overlapping, 7 20 overlapping bars. 20,000 overlapping bars in a row. That's all.
2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, I don't know about this, pandas. I really don't know about this one. I don't know about this one. I think I'm going to get bamboozled here. Wow. How confusing can you get today? That is not right. It's pure evil. This is pure evil right here. If you want to see pure evil, this is pure evil. It's getting diabolical, pandas. I can already sense it. Weird things are happening. Weird things are happening right now. I can tell you that right now. This is weird stuff happening. Hooey. I don't like it, pandas. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it at all. $2,500 tick chart looks a little bullish to me. The 5-minute chart is just, it's weird. It's just weird. Got 4 overlapping bars in a row now on the 5-minute chart. Ah, jeez Louise. It's tough. It's very tough.
5-minute trap.
Are you going to hit it now? Oh, that's diabolical. So sick. So sick. You're going to hit it now? You're going to hit my target now? Yeah, you would. Yeah, you would. You would hit my target now. I tried 2 attempts. We're right here. You would hit it now. Goodness gracious. How diabolical is this? Right? Down, big up, big down. That's what I thought trading range. That's why I kept trying to go short. But man, oh man, oh man. How diabolical is that? I don't like this. It's very tough in my opinion. Very tough to trade. Big bull bar. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Shall we? Shall we? Hooey. Hooey. All right. I mean, there's a point in time where you gotta say your premise is wrong. And the market's gonna be plenty of chances to realize that. Yep. Plenty of chances to realize I was wrong trying to go short here. Good signal bar though, I'll try. Whatever. Good risk reward as well. Looking for new low. So sick though. So sick, all of that nonsense up here. So incredibly sick. Let's see if we can make a new low here plus a little bit more. Yeah, the market was telling me that is not going to work out. Look how strong these bull bars are. Market was telling me do not go short here. Look at these 1, 2, like these strong bull bars telling me not to take this trade. I took it anyways because I'm getting a little desperate here maybe. We shall see. I took it anyways, got a little desperate here. We shall see. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out very soon. It is what it is. Now it might fly up. If this fails, this might fly up. Okay, I'll take it. One more chance. One more chance here. What? Wait. Wait. No, stop. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I was about to say. I was about to say for a second. Confusing. Very confusing. It had me think it was going to really push down here. Now I think a fail second short here would be great. Just go long. I think it's time to go long now. It's just, I could just be getting chopped up. I mean, this is trading range, really. I mean, if it's trading range, still okay to go long. Isn't that right? No? Ah, jeez. Second just short. Maybe the second just short itself was just a good trade to take for that new low. Felt too confusing for me. Really uncertain what's going to happen here, Pandas. I don't know. I'm going to set my pause a little bit. I'm very confused. Ugh. And this is why I stopped trading the top half of my accounts, just in case like something like this happens. The market sometimes, when it has like a very good like open, just very often just turns into this diarrhea afterwards. It's very sideways now. Feels like I just short. I don't know what to make of it. I wanted to go long here, but I was just too confused. I was just too confused. Jeez Louise, this is confusing. Hmm. Feels trading rangy. Feels trading rangy. Should I get chop myself up for no reason? Should I jump to micros here? This is like a micros day now because it's getting so confusing. Alright, I'll try it one more time here. I hate the outside bar reversal thought of that, but I think this is the only time I can do this. And just trade. I want it one more time to try to make a new low here. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. I have a certain premise here. Let's see if it plays out. It is not currently playing out at all. It is currently not playing out at all. What was I thinking? We're going completely sideways. Why am I trying to trade a breakout right now? Why am I actually trying to trade a breakout right now? I'm silly right now. I'm being so silly. Being so silly. It was an L4 setup. Thought maybe that's all I wanted for a new low here. It could be complete trading range though also because of how many overlapping bars we have at this point. It could just come right back up to the top. I'm getting destroyed here, Pandas. I'm absolutely getting destroyed here. The market's teaching me a lesson. It's spanking me. It's very much spanking me, so. Yeah. Bamboozle left and right. The L4 setup gets bamboozled here. Just what in the world? This is so sick. This is so sick right now. I mean, I'll try. Last attempt to the short side. If this doesn't work, Pandas, I mean, we really know we're really hurting here. I thought the risk reward was good. Obviously, probability too bad. Yikes. Yikes. Shikes. Yikes. Mikeys. Tikes. Likeys. Me no likeys. Disgusting. Disgusting here. We'll take the hit, whatever. I mean, it's very small risk, so it is what it is. Might push down here. I'm just sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause here. Let's get a nice push down. Can I get some follow through? Can I get some follow through on that? Can I get some follow through, please? May I? May I get some follow through, please? Pandas! Easy peasy. Goodness gracious. You thought you could trick the panda. You thought you could trick the trickster. Not today, pandas. Not today. No sirree, not today. You thought you could trick the trickster. You thought you could trick the panda. How are you going to trick the panda? There's absolutely no way. I was sweating. A little nervous. Just a little bit nervous. You know, holding my breath a little bit there because of how choppy I was getting. I really thought I was going to lose that. We held, though. We held to the bitter end, and it paid off. We diamond pawed it, pandas. We diamond pawed it. How many times have I would have let that go, a trade like that go, and just be so upset missing this move? All right, pandas. Let's see if we can get a little bit more juice on this. Squeeze a little bit more juice out of this. Letting this cook a little bit. Let it cook just a little bit. It might be one of those trades, takes you out break even, then pushes down. It's been a while since I've seen that, but it happens all the time. Actually happens all the time. Like, I should make a whole strategy based off of that. I should make a strategy because 90% of the time your runners get stopped out. I should make an entire strategy that you come back to fill basically to retest the breakout area. Like, I should make an entire strategy just to start scaling in, and buy here, buy here, buy here, thinking eventually it would probably take this out. Jeez Louise. High or low, not really what you want to see when you're short. But you love to see the second you're short possible. Second inch short, I'm curious. If this second inch short triggers, I'm curious. Let's get it. Let's make it a new low. Let's make that new low. Please, let's make that new low. Let's get it, Panis. It's getting sus. Like always, getting sus. Getting very sideways, right? I'm just drawing every single time the market gets sus. Drawing every single time the market's getting sus. Right, this is how sus it is. This is how sus it is. All these circles are representing like lots of clusters, lots of overlapping bars. I have a premise here. I mean, new low, 5-minute chart. You're thinking test the 20 MA or test the previous day's high. That's what I'm thinking here. I'm thinking it wants to come back here, but I don't know. I'll just keep it here, and I'll move my stop loss here. Pandas, pandas. Look what we have here. Look at what we have here. I don't like this at all. Why do I feel V bottoms? I just feel the V bottom about to come. I just feel the V bottom about to come here right now. Why do I sense a V bottom here right now? Why am I sensing an ultra V bottom right now? So sick. So sick. What a V bottom. Unfortunate. Yeah, V bottom it is. How unfortunate. It's just like very hard to predict this is going to happen. Such a strong move down and then. But like I said, look at this circle here. Shenanigans. So, why am I surprised? So much shenanigans. Well, I'm not surprised V bottom. Maybe A top right after this. Sure, why not? Maybe A top right after this. Maybe bouncing off our channel here now. So sick though. So sick. Hopefully 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart will be enough to trigger an always in short after this. Even though there's these tails underneath it, hopefully just the 2 bear bars in a row will be enough for bears to feel confident and bulls to come out, to exit. Hopefully, we'll see,
2500 tick trap.
We'll see. That's what I'm hoping for right now. This is pure shenanigans right now. What in the world is this? Okay, let's see if the 5-minute will trigger an always in short. I have a feeling it might not, but we can see. 5-minute, 2 bear bars in a row. And it is not always in short right now. Little pullbacks here. Lots of tails right here. Tail here. Right, these tails, this tail, these tails. Lots of tails to show that it's just confused. It doesn't really know what it's doing. Oh boy. Unfortunate. I left a lot on the table. That's 600. That's 30 points on the table. Jeez Louise. Second inch short. Actually, decent second short, but look at the first leg is above the 20 MA. You don't want that. Very high chance to get stopped out right now. It's unfortunate. Super high chance to get stopped out right now. Very unfortunate. Yep, there it is. There it is. Well, there's the pop up. Second inch short, but above the 20 MA.
2,500 tick
Strong
trap.
bear bar anyone's low. Hopefully get some follow through. Fail second inch long, perhaps about to trigger on the 2,500 tick chart. Would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. That could happen right now. Right about now. Right about now. I don't think it's happening though. I don't think it's gonna happen though, pandas. This is looking sus. Every single day. You're sussling. Feels like I just short does trigger here. Ooh, that's good news for me. Really good news for me. Right, come back into our channel after a failed reversal attempt. Very good news, I think. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What is that? I mean, I don't have much to lose here. I'm just holding onto my trade. Fails against your long triggers. Oh, this might be good, pandas. This might be really good. We might have found the trade of the day here. This could be it. Pandas!
Five-minute trap.
Wow, that's sick. So sick. What a push. What a push. I'm gonna start putting its tight stop loss here. I'm gonna save 50%. You know what I mean? I'm gonna protect 50% of my profits here. I want to protect 50% of my profits. I don't want these shenanigans again. I don't want to go through these shenanigans again.
Five-minute trap.
I'll take on the next reversal back up. I'll take on the next reversal back. Ah! Jeez. Golly. All right. All good. I mean, 1,300 pandas. Pandas! Easy peasy. I'll take it. Made some bamboo today, pandas. Absolutely made some bamboo today. Easy peasy. Payout money? Yeah. At the end, the bottom half of my accounts, I still have work to do. The top half of my accounts are in Payout City, like deep in Payout City. So I'm going to just request payouts on the top half of my accounts today. And the bottom half still needs some catching up to do. So once I can get payouts on those, then we can go back to making our $55,000 payouts.
2,500 tick trap.
I can't get to my $55,000 payouts. It's been a while. You need all 20 accounts to do it. Wow, second inch short here. Beautiful second inch short. Good signal bar, small risk.
2,500 tick trap.
There it is. There's that spike down I kind of wanted. We're getting it now. It's all good. I'm happy with my profits. At the end, I don't want to make too much money as well. Like 1,300, 1,500. It's kind of how much I want to make per day. And then I think I'm just going to protect the profits for the rest of the day. I'm just, I don't like the shenanigans. Like, we had a lot of shenanigans in all of this. Actually, we had this big down, big up, big down again. It's just like lots of shenanigans. Like I said, pandas, we could be turning to a trading range. A lot of you guys thought we are going to reverse up. That's why I kept going short here. And you guys are probably wondering, why is Panda keep going short? Like, it looks like it's an uptrend. It's going to reverse all the way up. And then end up turning to a trading range, as I thought. Lots of bamboozle here, right? Lots of overlapping bars. Lots of, this is crazy to have this many overlapping bars right here. Lots of overlapping bars here. Lots of overlapping bars here. Overlapping bars here at the 240 SMA where it bounced off of ultimately. Lots of overlapping bars here. Just felt like the market wanted trading range. I don't know, pandas. I mean, I at the end, even if it went back up, I guess it could still be a trading range. I just don't know. So maybe today I just got lucky. Who knows? At the end, you got to manage your risk. So if you get lucky or not, you got to manage your risk. So when you do get lucky, you can maximize it. And if you don't get lucky, you got to minimize the amount you lose. I mean, that's at the end the crux of trading. It's a risk reward. That's how important. This is very important. Very important. So I'm gonna get a $30,000 payout today. Well, I'm gonna request one, and then hopefully by next week, my other accounts will be at 5K. I'm about 2,000 away from 5K. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully I don't get tilted. When I lose, I end up losing like $2,000, and I absolutely hate it. Like when I go on tilt, end up being negative 2,000. I hate that, Panda. I really do hate being negative 2,000. Like I just hate putting myself in that situation. And it takes me like two days to like come back from that. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Yeah, but shenanigans today, so be careful, pandas. Truly be careful. Five minutes. Doesn't touch 20 MA yet. I thought it would touch a 20 MA. I thought it would retest the previous day's high. Right, big push down with follow through. That's another reason why I thought maybe we had more chance to go down, because we had this huge push down. It's a little bit of follow through here now at this point. Do I have another setup here to go short? Possibly, but I don't know. Bob Stock. Sorry, I'm not trying to ignore your questions. It's just we're just focused on the charts. We were like, in a trade for a long time, and well, how much mana did I get from that one trade? I went short here. It was a 40. It was a 40, more or less 47 point trade. 47 points, man. That's one trade, one contract. So Bobsaw asks, Panda, can you give an example of your A plus to S plus setups? I want to feel confident. Um, Double key areas, right? Second entry low. So basically, my two things I like to do. I like to go with trend, and I like to look for
2500
reversals
tick
at
trap.
key areas. That's basically all I do. Those are my main. That's like my bread and butter. And I like to trade towards key areas. If there's a key area that's close, I like to scalp to it. So we scalped down to here. Just took that quick scalp from here to here. It might seem quick, but at the end, that ended up being like a solid $500 trade. It's beautiful. Right when the market looks like it has intention that it wants to hit some sort of target, I like to trade towards the target when we're very close to it. Um, this trade, honestly, I know I won the trade, but honestly, I should get a slap on the wrist because I risked too much on this trade for how uncertain it was. I risked too much on this trade for how uncertain it was, so I deserve a slap on the wrist for this trade. I was willing to lose it because the risk reward was so good. You know, we're talking about. I was probably risking about 16 points here, 17 points here ish. But the new low gave me like 20 points. So it was a 1-to-1. It was better than a 1-to-1, and I felt like it was worth it. But it got really sideways here, so I honestly would admit that this was poorly managed. Like I shouldn't have maybe have entered again here. In a sense, I got kind of lucky here. I risked too much. Like if I keep doing that, I don't know how sustainable that would have been. If I keep taking trades like that heavy. Another second just short works out beautifully. I mean, it's a strong downtrend. It is what it is. Like, and the problem is A plus setups are just hard to come by. Like, I really like this trade. I really like this trade. Key area right beneath to go short. Just a little scalp here would have been beautiful. Risk reward's not too bad. Yeah, risking 10 points, but I wanted to double top before finally actually reversing here. I'm trying to find like an A plus reversal. This is a fail second entry long, but it ends up failing and then working out over here later. This is like 4 a.m. though, so I don't know. Another fail second entry long, nice reversal trade. Reversal from this uptrend, which ultimately was a nice move down. Ah. I think for me, what really helps though is when I get my reward, I look for that new high or new low. You're going with trend here, and you're trying to make a new low, right? You're trying to make lower highs, lower lows, and so you're trying to get that good risk reward here. At a certain point in time, I actually cut my risk off to the top of this candle, so I was risking 10 points to gain 20 points. I had a 1 to 2 risk reward there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now on the 5 minute, looking sus. Looks like it could pop up here. H4 setup coming off the 20 EMA. 2 legs down already. So the downtrend could be done. There's a big gap obviously to fill beneath it. It is what it is. Woo-wee. Okay, let's push down. Ah, beautiful push down. Jeez. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Maybe I should keep trading until I lose. How about this? I'll keep trading until I lose my next trade. I'm going to go only one contract every single time. Kind of came to the area I thought I was going to test, right? The previous day's high. That was my original target. There's a lot of shenanigans between that. Curious to see. Are we going to bounce here? It really seems like a strong downtrend day. Okay. Let's see here. Do I have a trade waiting around somewhere? Do I have a trade waiting somewhere?
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Okay. Dare I? Dare I try this? Terrible signal bar though. Don't matter. Strong push to the downside still. Definitely can't go long here anymore. Terrible signal bar, but boy, oh
2500 tick
boy,
trap.
this is just flushing right now. Not flushing. It's not flushing. It's pretty calculated downtrend. Coming off the top of this channel multiple times. So sick. I'll take a dumb trade, whatever. I'm gonna keep trading until I lose.
Target filled.
Okay. I guess I can't lose today. What is this nonsense about? There has to be some sort of limit to this, right? There has to be some sort of limit to this madness. At a certain point in time, I gotta lose. Big bull bars. I'll drop on the M and Q. Trade until I lose on the M and Q, right? So if I do lose, right, this is not about making a lot of money at this point. Like I've already made like $1,500. I really don't want to make too much more than that. But this is about how many times can I win in a row.
2500 tick trap.
How right can I be today?
$2,500 tick trap.
Someone is tilted. Gonna sell at the close. Instead of looking at money, maybe we should look at pointage. All right, if we focus more on pointage, then we don't have to worry about like, oh, it's not making much money, because we are in a. Right, if we look at pointage, then it's kind of like, am I trading micros or am I trading minis? Who knows? This is getting so choppy.
Target filled.
What a trade! What a sicko trade! What a sick trade, Pandas. I just went short here. Always in short. Goodness gracious. Looks like I'm making a beeline to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. What a sicko trade right there. That's 25 points. I just can't lose. My record is like 1,000,006, I guess. Plus 4, 6, 7, 8. How about that? All right, Pandas. I think that's it for today. Geez, this day ended up being just a very bearish day. Amazing. I'm not sure how much longer this downtrend is going to continue. It could continue the rest of the day. Who knows? But I'm happy with my profits now, and I think I'm going to end it here. So, Pandas, today I'm going to request my payouts. Remember to use code BBM for 40% off TPT. Since Apex 90% off is done, I would recommend use code BBM for 40% off TPT now. Because it's kind of already too late, right? You missed your Apex. You missed the Apex boat. But the TPT boat is still there, and it's such a such a good value. Such a good value. So remember to use that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
2500 tick trap.